What's up guys, I'm Victor Gatobu and thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today I'll be taking you on a road trip from Kitengela all the way to Ongata Rongai. So these guys are push to start, and to start it you just step on the brake, and then that light for the start button will come on, and then you just press it and the engine comes alive. And then now, since I want to reverse, I just put it on reverse. Just put it on reverse, remove the handbrake, and reverse slowly. So I will reverse out of the parking and be on my way to Isinya, which will be our first town. Then from Isinya we'll go to Ololoitikosh, and then we will go to Kiserian, and then go to Rongai. Let's go. We are currently 5 kilometers from Isinya, and this is the turn that goes to Fred's branch, and the sunset is just beautiful. The sunset is just awesome, man. So before you get to Isinya, I want to fuel the car. I want to make sure we have enough fuel at Isinya, and then from there we head to Ololoitikosh. But oh my god, look at that sunset. That's a real African sunset. That sunset is awesome. Look at it, man. That sunset is awesome. So I'm sorry for the wind noise, guys, but I had to get the sunset with no filters since my windows have tint. But that sunset is on another level. So I'm going to stop at Total, refuel the car, and then add pressure on the tires, because I feel like the car is not stable. Yeah, so, but everything else is okay. It's just the stability that is not there. So that's Total Isinya ahead, on the right. I hope they have pressure, but you have to go and see. So I just fueled up. Now I'm heading to Isinya, which is about 100 meters away. So Isinya is a town that is on the Namanga road, and it's between Kitengela and Kajiado town. There's a road that runs from Isinya all the way to Kiserian, which is a shortcut to town. So if you're coming from Tanzania and you don't want to go through Kitengela or through Mombasa Road, you can take the road from Isinya and head all the way to this area and then head to Rongai and then head to town. So the town ahead is Isinya town. So this is Isinya town, just a normal Kenyan town. That's the patrol car for this road. So I'm currently at Isinya and I'll be heading to Ololoitikosh. I hope I get there early enough, but I will just put the camera on time lapse. So guys, currently I'm at my favorite spot, which is Ololoitikosh, but it's getting late. As you can see, it's getting late, so I'm not going to show you the rest of this journey, but in the next video I'm going to show you the complete journey from Rongai all the way to Isinya. Let's go.